Well, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I want to do a quick update for you guys on some deals going on at Harbor Freight. Currently, right now, they got this 30% off going on, 3 days only. But if you're part of the Inside Track Club, it's going to start today, Thursday, September 21st. To be a member, it shows up here. If you're not a member, it's $29.99, and it's saying it pays for itself with just one purchase. I'm currently not an Inside Track Club member. I don't really see a huge benefit. You do get early access, but usually all the sales they have is offered to everybody a couple days after they offer it to the Inside Track Club members. I think the only huge benefit with being an Inside Track Club member is when they do have like open box buys or returns. If you're an Inside Track Club member, you're going to get first dibs at those, opposed to if you're not. If you go in after the Inside Track Club members, there might not be a lot left there to pick from if you're interested in open box buys or returns, anything like that. They also got clearance deals sometimes now with these sales at Harbor Freight, so those might be another thing you won't be able to take advantage of, because those are based on a first come, first serve basis. If you're just looking at the sales deals, I think you'll be fine. I haven't been a member, and I go in there and I still am able to take advantage of, the sales. Like this one is 3 days only between Friday, September 22nd through Sunday, September 24th, up to 30% off any single item. It's gonna be the entire store, no exclusions, it's saying, in store and online. And then I do have some more coupons I'm going to post up here so you guys can see. Now I do want to mention that it doesn't say it here on the website that I can see, but the 30% off is going to be items under $20. So any one item under $20 in store and online. So that's kind of the stipulations with that one. You wouldn't be able to apply this 30% off to anything that isn't under $20. They do have a couple other coupons. They got a 15% off. That's for items that are between $20 to $50, any single item. And then they do also have a 10% off coupon. Those are for just items over $50. So one single item over $50 in store and online. So I just wanted to go ahead and put this video out there real quick for you guys. And also to mention, if you're a member, they do have some deals that are just member deals. As you guys can see here, some of these items are member deals. But in my experience, I haven't noticed a huge benefit to becoming a member. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are an Inside Track Club member, if it is beneficial to spend that $30 to become an Inside Track Club member. Maybe there's something that I'm missing. But basically, 30% off any single item under $20. And then, like I said, they got the other coupons going on too. And then in a previous video, I did post their coupons, limited time coupons that they got going on right now from Monday, September 18th. Through Sunday, October 1st. And I got a video. I'll go ahead and link that in the comment section and also the description box below if you guys want to see all those coupons. Like I said, guys, let me know if you're an Inside Track Club member and how beneficial it is to you. Is it worth spending that $30? Let us know in the comment section below. Hopefully this video was informative for you guys. 3 days only. Inside Track members, it starts today, Thursday, September 21st. Then Friday through Sunday, September 24th, should be open to everybody, up to 30% off any item under $20. And then, like I said, if you guys got the email, you'll see the other coupons that are for the 15% off and then the 10% off. Hopefully this video was informative. If it was, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Till the next one, guys. I will talk to you later.